Hey there, weekend travelers. If you're planning a quick trip to the Windy City, I've got the ultimate 3-day Chicago itinerary just for you. Let's dive right in. Day 1. Start your adventure at Millennium Park. Snap a selfie with the famous bean sculpture, aka Cloud Gate. Then, take a stroll through the beautiful Lurie Garden. Next, head over to the Art Institute of Chicago, home to some of the most impressive art collections in the world. Trust me, you'll be blown away. For lunch, grab a Chicago-style hot dog at Portillo's. Ketchup not included. In the afternoon, explore Navy Pier. Ride the Ferris wheel for stunning city views. Finish your day with a sunset cruise on Lake Michigan. It's the perfect way to see the skyline. Day 2. Start your morning at Willis Tower. Brave the Skydeck and step out onto the ledge. It's a glass box that extends 4.3 feet outside the building. Next, head to the Field Museum. Say hi to Sue, the largest and most complete T-Rex ever discovered. After that, make your way to Shed Aquarium. The beluga whales are a must-see. For lunch, it's deep dish pizza time. Giordano's or Lou Malnati's are both epic choices. In the afternoon, visit the Adler Planetarium and take in there stellar exhibits. End your day in the vibrant West Loop. Enjoy dinner at one of the trendy restaurants on Randolph Street. Girl and the Goat is a fan favorite. Day 3. Kick off your final day with a visit to the Chicago Riverwalk. Rent a kayak or take an architectural boat tour. The buildings along the river are absolutely stunning. Next, head to Lincoln Park Zoo. It's one of the oldest zoos in the U.S. and it's free. Afterward, stroll through the Lincoln Park Conservatory for a peaceful escape. For lunch, check out a local favorite, Pequod's Pizza, for some caramelized crust goodness. Spend your afternoon at the Museum of Science and Industry. It's interactive and fun for all ages. Finally, watch the sunset from the 360 Chicago Observation Deck, located in the John Hancock Center. It's the perfect spot to wrap up your trip. So there you have it, the ultimate 3-day itinerary in Chicago. Whether you're into art, science, food, or just exploring, Chicago's got something for everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check the description for more travel ideas. Catch you on the next adventure.